Did you know that the Zamzam well has been pumping 8,000 liters of water every second for 4,000 years? That's enough to fill an Olympic-sized pool every 5 minutes. But here's the twist. There's no visible source of water for miles.
Whoa!
Engineers found that the water comes from cracks in the basement rock. It's a self-replenishing miracle that has never run dry. Unlike tap water, Zamzam is naturally high in calcium and magnesium, which is why it actually kills germs and acts as a natural energizer. It's the only water in the world that doesn't grow algae or bacteria. It stays pure 24/7 without any chemicals added. While modern cities struggle with water crises, this ancient well in the middle of a desert defies the laws of nature every single day. For more mind-blowing facts that bring science and faith together, subscribe to Pyaray, because scientists are still shocked when they realize